Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add or run PHP custom code on multiple pages using custom code in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our contact page and this is our Elementor page. So we are going to display custom code on multiple pages using custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write wpcode. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. So this is plugin wpcode. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. And then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section, open, and then you can add title, and then you see code preview. Now paste code, and you'll find this code in video description or in comment section. So this is our format or layout. Now you see if is page array, so you can add page ID. Now you see 32811645. Now go to edit page. Now you see 1645 Elementor page or contact page. Now go to another page and then you see 3281. So you can add your page ID in custom code. Now back to code. So we added 32811645 and then you see your custom PHP code goes here. So you can add your PHP code here. So you can modify this code according to your requirement, and then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to Elementor page, refresh the page, go to contact page, refresh the page. Now on contact page you see this is our custom code. This content is displayed only on the multiple pages. Now go to Elementor page and refresh the page. Also on Elementor page you see custom content. Now open another page. So we open about page, but you don't see custom code. So this custom code only run on these pages we mention in custom code. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.